How you doing? Friday. It's a late one. Past 4 o'clock. It's not like us. This is a job that we've got up Poggy, up that area, and you'll see that we did floor. So last week we put floor in, ripped it all up with railway sleepers. I'm just showing you how far we've got. Basically, we've more or less. That's why we've had it later today, because we stayed to get it all prepped ready for skimming on Monday. So there's like hybrid of different systems on wall. So you've got express fast system, some render light, same again, express system, just different systems. This wall we've had to dry line, and reason being is thickness front bottom at casing. Well, we can't really see it like, but this wall's out by a mile, so I've had to sort of put it on really thin at bottom, and it sticks out really far at top. We've used absolutely loads of stuff to get that sort of somewhat like level, but it's gonna it'll look good when it's finished. Same again here. I didn't know what they were doing, whether they were having a dual casing in, so we've had to sort of finish it off. We'll put a bead up there. I mean, there's no stopping them going up, putting a door on top or whatever, but we'll stick a bead up there, blend it in, and they can decide what they want to do at a later date. We've got, once this is skimmed, they can get the kitchen units in, which are all stacked up here. Same again with fireplace. Again, out by a mile, so we've had to sort of keep this same distance all the way up, so it looks okay from this side, and other side we've sort of kept it straight. But again, a nightmare because it were all over all. But put same distance board all the way up. Once beads on and once it's skimmed in, you'll not know that the house is art. Same with windows, built out round windows. Put insulated boards on here on this wall, and again, this wall's all render light. Again, bottom. If you can see how far casing's out at bottom. This is my finger here, so that's how far it is at bottom, and it goes thinner at top. It's wall that's, I don't know why walls are, it just must have been where they built them. But we've levelled it up, strained it up that way, strained it up that way, and once it's skimmed, you know, you're not going to be able to tell that sort of house runs out a bit. So that's Friday, working late on a Friday, not like me, but you know, needs must. By the time we finish Monday, I'll do a quick video on Monday and show you when it's all skimmed, and hopefully you'll say it's nice and looks well and ready for painting. So enjoy your weekend. I'm gonna do, although I'm working tomorrow because I've got to go and build an air brick housing. Might put it on a tripod and just let somebody ask to watch me build one. So might see tomorrow's video. Tomorrow's video. It's teeth. Can't get good ones nowadays. Not like them old wood ones. Right, see you later.